Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. We have a very exciting video today because I finally found a magnetic face mask. Let alone, I found it at Walmart. This charcoal magnetic mask is from Biovene, Barcelona. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. It's supposed to recharge and purify. It comes with a little magnet in it, and it's infused with charcoal, vitamin E, and lavender oil. If you don't know what a magnetic mask is, it's basically a mask like any other. This one's specifically a charcoal magnetic mask that you put on your face like a normal one and you remove with a magnet. I'm not sure if there's little like metal pieces in the mask to make it magnetic. I'm not really sure how they do it, but I'm super excited to play with this and give it a try. It comes with a little spatula to help apply the mask and the magnet itself. So in order to apply this mask, you cleanse your face first and then you apply a thin layer and leave it on for 10 minutes. It smells good. It smells like something I've smelled before. But I want to say like an old chapstick from the 90s or something, but I just can't put my finger on it. So let's go ahead and apply a thin layer of this mask. I don't know if you guys can see how satisfying that was, but that was so satisfying. It's like a really thick clay. Okay, so the mask is fully applied, and the best way I can describe the texture is like warm lipstick. Just rubbing warm lipstick all over your face. So now I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on for 10 minutes, and then we will do the fun part and remove it with the magnet. Ooh, I can feel it pulling on my face. It's not even close to being ready yet, but I can feel it. Oh. Oh. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes, and you guys saw that one come off that I wasn't even trying. I just put the magnet relatively near to see what would happen, and it just pulled off that perfect little circle from the magnet. Now, the directions actually say to wrap the magnet in this little cloth, which makes sense, just keeps it cleaner. So now comes the fun part, and we're going to take it off. Oh my gosh. This is the coolest thing I have ever owned. Seriously, I have no clue if it's actually doing anything for the skin, but I don't even care. This thing is awesome. I am really surprised how well this actually works, especially for the fact that I bought it at Walmart. I don't remember how much it costs right now. I'll insert the cost right here. If you like face masks and things that are really satisfying, this is for you. But I've used a lot of face masks, and this is my favorite, by far my favorite. And my skin feels so moisturized, and I do feel like it looks a little bit brighter. I absolutely recommend this to you guys. Go get it, go use it, go tell me what you thought of it, because I love it very much. This is not sponsored. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Let me know if there's any other cool face masks out there that you want me to try, because frankly, I love doing face masks.